Here we have 3 years worth of dividends. So what we're going to do is figure out how much is going to go to preferred stockholders and how much is going to go to common stockholders. Okay, so first we need to figure out how much we owe the preferred stockholders. So it says 2%, so 0.02, and then $75 par. Okay, so we said 75. Okay, and 50,000. Make sure you use the right number there. 50,000 shares of preferred. So if we multiply those, we will get 75,000 is what we owe the preferred stock. Okay, so it looks like we gave out 45,000 shares, but that's not going to be enough to cover our preferred dividend. So we're going to give all 45,000 to preferred. Common is going to get 0 because there's not any left over for common. And then to get your earnings per share, which is what we want down here, dividend per share, you're going to take the amount that preferred got, and you're going to divide that by your number of shares, which is 50,000. So it's 90 cents per share, and common will be easy because it will be $0 per share. Okay, in year 2, we gave out $123,000 of dividends. Okay, first we need to figure out how much do we owe preferred from last year. So they normally get 75,000. We only paid them 45,000. So we owe them the 30,000. So we're going to pay them the 30,000 plus this year's 75,000. And that's going to be 105,000. So 123,000 minus what we just gave preferred, and common will get 18,000. Now, divide preferred 105,000 by the total number of preferred shares, which is 50,000. Okay, and then for common, we gave out 18,000. There are 100,000 shares of common that's given to you. So here is our amount. So $2.10 a share, and then 18 cents per share. All right, for year 3, we are going to pay out $130,000. We are paid up for preferred for the previous year, so we don't owe them for previous years, so they're just going to get the 75,000, and then common is going to get the rest. So we're going to do 130,000 minus what we gave to preferred, and so they're going to get 55,000. For preferred earnings per share, divide that by the 50,000 shares. For common, take the amount of dividends they got and divide it by 100,000 shares. That's given to you in the problem, the number of shares is. Okay, so that would be 150 per share and 55 cents per share for common. Hopefully this helps you get started. Let me know if you have any questions.